Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about something a little bit new. But don't worry. I'm going to introduce you a new framework that can make things so easy for .NET developers. It calls Spark.net. What is Spark.net? Let's see. First of all, you can find everything about this framework here at this address. But since everybody is able to open this website page and go through it, I'm not going to waste your time showing you its official documentation or talking about things that are obvious. The only thing is that it is what they are saying. The rest can be found inside their website. So, what I am going to do, I'm going to create something in action in front of your eyes and show you how easy you can create a web app. But let me tell you something. Why they have made something like this? The creator of this framework is trying to give you something ready to only let you think about your business, implementing your business and finish. So, for example, if you are worried about authentication, they already did. If you are worried about firing something in the background, they already did. If you are thinking about how to handle and authorize the users, they already did. So just go and use it. How? As I said, without wasting the time, let me show you. First of all, open a command prompt. Then, like traditional DOS operating system, create a folder. MD Spark sample. Like this. CD Spark sample. CLS. Okay. So, we should run some commands to install Spark.net. How? I will show you. This is the first step. .NET tool install global Spark CLI. Already installed. Okay. So, for you, the message might be different. Would be different. So, let's go for the next step. The next step is this. Spark install. Installing Spark, already installed. Okay. Done. Let me explain something. I had a plan to talk about it later, but since it shows you here, let me talk about it now. This Spark.net web app framework creates or can create three types based on your decision or based on your requirement. A Blazor app, MVC app, and Razor page. I will go for the Blazor. So let's continue with the Blazor. Please pay attention. Spark new the application name that I called Spark sample app -t Blazor. So if I hit enter, it will create the application template for me. So it seems it was successful. Thanks God. If you want to create different project types, here you can say MBC or Razor. So it would be based on your decision. Now it's time to do migration. It can't, because we need to go inside the solution. So cd now my migration would work. I will explain to you the reason of migration later. Now just have a look. The next step is Spark migrate. Okay, successful. The last step is easy. Go and open this solution by Visual Studio. So let's do that. I have opened this project by Visual Studio. As you can see, it is a full Blazor app with everything. So see, pages consist of admin, art, profile, and shared. Application, database, events, jobs, models, services, and a startup. So if I come here, you will see this. The default database is SQLite, but you can change the configurations and ask the project to use SQL Server, Postgres, MySQL, and continue using by changing things inside this project. Okay, let's run and see. This is the result of running the things that I have just created. So, see, for example, register. Create account. See, profile. Change password. All of these things. So you do not want to be involved for authentication, for example. It already did. Everything is ready. So for example, if you want to have a to-do app, for example, or something like that, you can simply just jump to Visual Studio and create a model for yourself. See, you can even follow the way that they have done. Inherit from base model, create whatever you want, then follow the way that they did. Like in the pages, you can create your folder and continue developing. So it does everything for you. Authentication is ready. If you want to run something in the background, for example, they are there. Jobs. See? Do not worry, it's not confusing. They have documentation for everything. Let's have a look. See? For example, if you want to change the DB configuration, you can come here and find the file and then change the configurations and take advantage of what is there. Or for example, jobs. They explain to you how you can do something in the background or schedule and do it later. Or see queues, for example, like this. Everything is provided. So as I said, no need to be worried about the basic things that every developer should handle by himself or herself. They already did all of these things. So for example, if you change the configuration to SQL Server or Postgres, for example, then you would have a full project. Everything is ready. See, for doing things by scheduling, you can change the intervals. Everything is kind of ready in their documentation. So if you want to extend and create something on top of this platform, it would be so easy. I will try to create something real in the next video to show you how you can use this platform to have something like a CRUD type of things, but a little bit more realistic. So be with us, subscribe in the YouTube channel, then once we publish something, you would be notified. Thank you so much and bye.